What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. We're still here in the Focal booth here at the Florida Audio Expo 2024. Focal is one of my all-time favorite manufacturers. They have just such a diverse line, from everything 2-channel, hi-fi, home theater, whole house audio, an outdoor line, headphones, just absolutely stunning speakers with incredible performance and beautiful aesthetics. Really, it's a lifestyle brand, guys. So today I'm going to be introducing something that we don't really talk about a whole lot, but it's a way to enhance your experience with Focal, as well as reduce noise and improve the performance of other components in your system, whether it's 2-channel hi-fi or home theater. So I'm going to be talking about IsoAcoustics, guys. You can shop these on our online store or call and speak with a specialist, and we'll recommend one specific to your speakers. I'm going to be bringing in Chris from Focal, and he's going to give you the lowdown on what these do to improve your experience. All right, guys, let's go.
So here, again, we are in the Focal room, and again, thank you for coming by and seeing us. Obviously, one of the products that we do, pair with the Focal name products is the IsoAcoustics. The idea about this is that, we have always been challenged with, speakers and having them attached to the floor. And so this product is very unique. It's a product that basically allows us to decouple equipment and speakers from a room. And so as you've mentioned, we're not just for speakers, but we're for turntables, electronics, amplifiers, streamers. And with this is that we have a very, very diverse amount of product with it. So we go from anything from all the different isolation pucks for speakers. And so with this is that we utilize the ISO calculator. And the advantage of this is that, of course, there's lots of different products, lots of different models out there. And so on your smart device or on your computer is that you can just get directly into it. One of the best features that IsoAcoustics has done is their wizard. And so by clicking the wizard here, it allows us to select what type of category that we're looking for. If we're looking for floor standing speakers, as an example, we can select from a make, and of course, lots of different makes out there. Wow. Of course, my favorite is going to be Focal, of course. And so with this is that, we've shown you the Scala Utopia Evos. So let's look for that in here. And so we can go through all of our different brands and all of our different models. And so let's go into Scala V2, Scala V2 Utopia. And with this is it will tell me what products I need. In this case here, the guy wants. So we have those placed on our Scalas. So again, huge technology. It seems very small, but the differences are immense.
I wasn't aware of this. This is really cool.
This is a really cool app, and with it, as I mentioned, is that it's not just for speakers. We can do it for subwoofers. We can do it for our pro audio turntables.
Oh my gosh, guys, subwoofers. Oh, it's really a huge difference.
Exactly.
Decoupling the sub from your floor improves your bass response tremendously, because when you have your sub sitting on the floor, it's just reverbing and shaking your walls, your floor joists, the sconces on your walls, as an example, in this room, this lamp would be shaking.
Exactly.
So it really improves the fidelity of your audio.
So yeah, like I said, this product does nothing but make your system, your stereo, your performance just out of this world.
All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make an educated buying decision. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.